Shit. I was looking at this. It doesn't show the little shortcut. Yeah, I believe you. Oh yeah, water walking. I mean, it looks like the logs are going to be what's helping. Oh yeah. Well, these are boots. I don't know how waterproof they are. Hell of a lot more waterproof than my slippers I was wearing. Definitely looks like we're going the right direction for this path right now. Yeah. Hopefully didn't disturb any caches. He's running, folks. You running through the trees. I could smell that pine real good today. I can't hear you at all. I was trying to almost caught you now.
I said earlier at the last cache, you can actually hear spring.
Oh yeah.
Spring air.
Yeah. We didn't specify the pine as much as I am specifying on the pine. Does your watch say bleep bleep when we're getting close? It ain't as good. For 260. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. I gonna be these giant pines right here. And he's already been finding it. And now he says he hasn't found it. Oh. Still 90 feet away, so. Yeah, I'm walking around this tree. Huh? at a big ass rock, Jack. You're looking at a big rock right there?
No, I'm looking at the fucking bottom.
Oh. No, I don't think that's it.
It does.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody was drinking it.
Nice.
Yeah, like I said, there was somebody hunting.
Tool of the trade. Still saying 28 feet. I see it. Yeah. I do see it, and it was kind of where I thought we were heading to begin with. Sure pays to keep your fucking head down, don't it? With some nice ass class. Oh, and they have a tether which he did not use.
By where that dude was hunting.
Oh yeah, you think someone was sitting there, just sitting there hunting?
Yes, I do. Sitting up on behind that tree, drinking his beer, waiting for your deer to walk by.
Well, that's illegal.
Yeah. Do you think Wisconsin hunters care?
Oh, they're not.
I need new dogs.
Yeah, we keep walking up this path here that we just got off of to get this, and just keep rocking them out. Gingerbread cookie. $10,922. Last found. It's nice I can actually feel the fucking air. They've been out here for a minute, but so nice. Little Mexico on the fishing shit, man. So we tie it to the boat. You know what I mean? Tether it to one of our chairs. Oops. I'll do it down there.
This tree got struck by lightning.
There's something in it. Burn up a little bit.
Yeah, it burns up and the inside. It got struck by lightning.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened.
Ooh.
Come on.
It'll fit. Is that your pen? Yep. The descent can get you busted up, so be careful. These shoes have fucking like gel inserts in them. Ow, son of a bitch.
Watch yourself. You're not wearing layers. Got you.
Show did.
Either one that's moving. That one got you.
Yeah, I don't like that one. He's a meanie. Well, when they hit me, like 8 or 10 of them at a time, it kind of bounces off. But the one that hooked me, like, shit, are we going the right way? I have it up, but I just don't have it out. I think we are. It doesn't even have us on the trail, bro. Whatever. We're gaining on it. We're gonna come up, do a big ass corner, and then I'll look at my phone again. Humidity. That's what's out here right now. Making mushrooms weather right here. Definitely. Yeah. You're not going to see any probably. I doubt it. And then we at least know the location to go look again later. If you see some, you don't necessarily pick them right that second. That way, you may end up getting a bigger situation. Damn. Seriously, can't believe they make us go up this hill. We should be going down this hill. Boo. Boy, I'd have been dying with that fucking flannel on. Yeah, I could be wearing shorts doing this today right now. Well, you gotta think about pain level adding to body temperature, which it did not. What do you see? Can't hear you.
Said it's that way.
Yeah, around the corner. So once we get around this big ass corner up here, I'll get my phone out. It's like right over there actually. I think I'm putting this shirt in that fucking backpack. Go down to the tank, dude. I'm almost able to, it's not, yeah, it's getting in my hat. I can almost squeeze some water out of my hat.
You're sweaty.
Fucking sweaty as fuck, dude. These pants are like having heated pants on. Yeah, there's that.
What it was like to have 5 pairs of pants on.
Yes, even if I were to cut the bottoms off, dude, it would not help much.
We've been at point 1 for like 10.
No, we're good now, though. Crickets, froggers. Yeah, that's some tree sap on my hand. You, sir, are a moron. Somewhere, and I think that Kenny ended up getting it, was a piece of that shit you just said that had a bug in it my mom had. Yeah. Tree sap. Either way, it was not the hugest bug, but they were saying it was still worth quite a bit of money. No, it was like it was some kind of spider. Yep. Fear rugs. Surprised there ain't no fucking turkeys down there eating all of them. Probably lots of crayfish down in that if there's rocks in the bottom.